I thought this look would just go great with my big bow earrings that I got at TJ Maxx. I love them so much. They're so beautiful. It's like, Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create this beautiful holiday glitter glam look. I love it. If you want to create this look, keep watching. I have my face done already. Well, okay, I have my foundation done already and my eyebrows. And I have this on because I have such a little forehead and a lot of baby hairs that it like gets in the way. I can just try to keep as much of the hair out of my face as possible. I am going to use MAC's concealer, NC15 Studio Finish. I'm gonna put that on my eyelid just to help hold the eyeshadow. I'm just basically putting it on my eyelid and then just gonna kind of spread it around with my finger. There is eyeshadow primer, but concealer works fine too, so I just use concealer. So I'm gonna use BH Cosmetics. This is a blush and contour highlight palette, but I'm going to use the blush as an eyeshadow. I'm using this blush. So I'm putting it right on the crease, and I'm gonna take it all the way from one end to the other end. Now I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked palette. For this one I'm going to use the Nooner color, and then again in the crease I'm just going back and forth, and same thing, I'm going from this end all the way to this end. Now I'm going to use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use this color, Boom, and I'm just going to put that like in the center of my eyelid. And I'm just patting it. The star of the show, the glitter. It's like a copper orangey kind of, like bronzy kind of glitter. I'm just putting it like in the lid. This is just regular glitter from Hobby Lobby. They have they have glitter glue for your eyelids, but I don't have any and I didn't want to go buy any, so I'm just gonna use regular eyelash glue. You do have to work fast when you're using this glue. So I'm just gonna use the tip of the eyelash glue applicator and just kind of rub it. Get the glitter. I'm tapping the glitter so that it like will stick to the glue. I'm like pushing it to stick to the glue. And if you see that you need like you have some gaps, then I just take like the corner and just kind of fill, or like the tip of the applicator and just kind of tap it where I need that gap filled. And then just add more. It's a mess, I know. Same thing. I don't want it to cover the whole lid. And work quick. Oh my gosh, I love glitter. Like, it just makes everything so much more beautiful. I'm gonna take Urban Decay's Naked palette again, and this time I'm going to go in with the Factory color. Again, windshield wiper motions in the crease. And this time I'm just focusing on the outer. I'm not going all the way through. Now I'm going to use this angled brush. I'm going to use the dark side color. I'm going to use that as my eyeliner. I'm just gonna really just putting it on my line. I'm just patting it. Nooner color. Revolution baking powder. I have a square face, so I have to carve out my shape. For the highlights, Revolution Vintage Lace Highlight Palette. And I'm going to use these lashes. I got these at the hair store. They were $2. Lips. NYX Sugar Mama. Bare Mineral lipstick. I'll be right back. If you enjoyed this look, please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.